Bruno and I and the kids live here in Liberty Lake, and our kids go to school in Liberty Lake, and we work in Liberty Lake. So for us, it's easy to be here when customers need us. Like, we're not open after 5 p.m. We're not open on Sundays, but we're always open. And if a customer calls us and wants to come in, or they work different hours, so that's easy for us to accommodate our neighbors and our friends, and even people who are traveling from different states and different cities, because we live so close to our own business that we could be here really anytime to help our customers. If you do come to see us from, let's say you drive here from Utah, if you are driving here in your RV to have us do your work, obviously you're gonna need somewhere to stay while we're repairing your roof. People who are coming from out of town or out of state, we do provide 2 nights hotel while we work on your roof. And that works for a lot of people too who actually live in their RV. A lot of people use it as a home, and that's stressful beyond compare when you don't have a home to live in while it's being repaired. We try to put people close to us. We do have options like in Coeur d'Alene and Spokane, but we typically try to keep people close to us so that they can look at the RV, and like I said, we like to do everything really hands-on. So we would prefer you be within 5 to 10 minutes of us, so that if something arises or something, you find dead mice in your roof or a wasp's nest, you never know. It gives people a chance to come down and look at the roof and be a part of the crazy.